At the start, first log in by using the by default provided login data. After this, click on the login button. Then you're navigated to the main page. Here you can choose injuries and policies, claims, administration, tools, and profile. In this demo, we start with selecting injuries and policies and begin with opening family group. It is required to select a region, district, followed by municipality and village, from a predefined table for the catchment area of the operator. It is possible to choose if a poverty status is applicable. The poverty status typically is confirmed by the municipality which is selected in this example of choices, and the group type in this demo is a household. The insurance number must correspond to the predefined Blanco card that has been prepared by the insurance headquarters together with the QR code on the card. Each card with a number is a unique printout to be filled with the data of the registered person and cannot be used a second time for a different person. In this example, the shown insurance number is given to a person. We call him Donalds. Next, the typical demographic data are required if you choose the date of birth using the calendar or use the calendar as a template for the format and type the date of birth. It requires a slash between the numbers. Next, select the gender, the marital status, beneficiary card, select the current region, then current district, current municipality, and current village. When you enter the address in the appropriate field, you should enter the street and all typical address details. It is recommended also to add the GPS coordinates, which would support the geo-tagging later. This is more a matter for the customization to national demands. On selection of the profession, we choose employee for this example. The selection list repository can be adjusted and modified as required. The same applies to the select of education. In this example, it's the secondary school. Next, the adding of the telephone number and the current email address is required. Both is not mandatory. The identification type can be national ID, it is free text. After this, we type the region of the first service point, FSP, then the district of FSP, Jambero. For this example, we select the level of FSP, hospital. Usually a primary center would be typical. For this example, it is hospital. The first service point is in this special case JMHOS001 Jambero. At the end, we save it.